Hi all, this is episode 8 of my Anatomy and Physiology supplementary exam. I hope all my videos are assisting you to pass your subject. Let's start. What is the heart disease where the heart fails to pump? Is it congestive heart failure? Is it cirrhosis? Is it pyelonephritis? Or is it arrhythmia? And the answer is congestive heart failure, or CHF. So congestive heart failure is a chronic condition where the heart doesn't pump blood as well as it should. The signs and symptoms of congested heart failure are difficulty breathing, irregular heart rate, leg swelling, neck veins are prominent, and on auscultation there will be sounds of fluid buildup in the lungs. A person with CHF can get very tired easily, having a cough that won't go away, or can be followed by wheezing. Next question. What is meant by lung compliance? Is it the lung's ability to stretch and expand? Is it the lung's ability to build more muscles? Is it the lung's ability to protect itself from injury? Or is it the lung's ability to multiply more alveoli? So the answer is the lung's ability to stretch and expand. Okay, next question. What is the main function of the large intestine? Is it to absorb water and salts and then excrete through anus? Is it to transport liquid to ureter? Is it to process synthesized proteins? Or is it to remove toxins and regulate metabolism? So there is the large intestine. So the answer is to absorb water and salts and then excrete through the anus. So there are 4 regions of large intestine. They are the cecum, the colons, rectum, and anus. The large intestine's function is absorbing water and electrolytes, also producing and absorbing vitamins, and also forming and propelling feces for elimination via rectum. Next question. Which structure or organ secretes antidiuretic hormone? Is it the liver, the pancreas, the pineal gland, or the hypothalamus? And the answer is hypothalamus. So ADH, which is antidiuretic hormone, is a substance produced and stored in neurons within the hypothalamus. It is then released by the pituitary gland at the base of the brain. Next question. In which structure of the GI tract, which is gastrointestinal tract, is where the foods are well absorbed? Is it in the stomach? Is it in the ileum? Is it in the descending colon? Or is it in the sigmoid colon? So it is in the ileum. So ileum is the last part of the small intestine. Its function is to further digest food coming from the stomach and other parts of the small intestine. Next question. What is the largest structure in the cell? Is it the mitochondria, the nucleus, the lysosomes, or the endoplasmic reticulum? The answer is the nucleus. So nucleus is the largest structure in the cell. It is the membrane enclosed organelle within a cell that contains the chromosomes. It is the cell's control center. It is for DNA replication, transcription, and RNA processing takes place within the nucleus. Next question. What is the medical term for production of urine? Is it diuretic? Is it anuria, diuresis, or hyperanuria? And the answer is diuresis. Next question. One of these is not a function of the skin. First one is to regulate body temperature, to prevent the body from dehydration, to synthesize calcium production, and to act as a sensory organ for touch. So which is not a function? And the answer is to synthesize calcium production. So that's not the function of the skin. Next question. What is anatomical position refers to? Is it standing upright and facing forward with each arm hanging on either side of the body, palm facing forward? Is it lying down with the head resting on a pillow and a neck with neutral position? Lying on the back with face and stomach facing upward? Or is it lying on the side with legs tucked in, touching the chest? And the answer is standing upright and facing forward with each arm hanging on either side of the body, palm facing forward. Next question. What is the smallest unit of muscle? Is it the soleus, myosin, myofibrin, or cell muscle? And the answer is myosin. Myosin is a prototype of molecular motor. Its function is to convert chemical energy in the form of ATP to mechanical energy, thus generating force and movement. Next question. Which one is the membrane that surrounds the lungs? Is it the visceral pleura? Is it the pericardium, peritoneum, or the islet cells? And the answer is the visceral pleura. So visceral pleura covers the lung parenchyma. Its function is to aid the lungs to optimal function during breathing. Next question. Where are the glomeruli of the kidneys located? Is it in the cortex, calyx, renal medulla, or the renal pelvis? And the answer is it's in the cortex. The cortex of the kidney provides a space for arterioles and venules from the renal artery and vein. It aids in the perfusion of the nephrons of the kidney. Next question. What is the other name for oil glands in the skin? Are they the eccrine glands? Are they the sebaceous glands? Are they the thyroid glands? Or are they the endocrine gland? So these are the sebaceous glands. So these sebaceous glands are microscopic glands that are found in the hair follicles that secrete sebum. Sebum is the oily substance that protects the skin from drying out. Next question. Which one has 7 bones? Out of this one, lumbar spine, metatarsals, cervical vertebrae, or the cranial bones? It is the cervical vertebrae. Cervical vertebrae or neck region consists of 7 bones from C1 to C7. They are separated by one another by intervertebral disc to allow for free movement and works as a shock absorber during activity. Next question. What is depression in the bone mean? Is it condyle? Is it fossa? Is it fistula? Or is it osteoporosis? So the answer is fossa. Fossa means shallow depression or a groove in the bone surface. So this is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe or comment below so I can continue making similar videos to supplement your studies in anatomy and physiology. Good luck and thank you for watching.